So, the Thrustmaster T-Flight X Hotas is a great entry-level flight stick, which will allow you to play most of the current next-gen flight simulators that are out there, including Star Citizen, Ace Combat, and Elite Dangerous. Ace Combat actually it being one of the few sticks which are actually compatible with that game, so it's kind of a big deal for that game. But having had it, tested it, and really enjoyed playing with it for a while, I thought I'd do something useful. I thought I'd make a video which included a link in the description, which will be the control settings that I have for Star Citizen specifically, as this is a Star Citizen centric channel and I said I'd make videos helping people get into it. I think this is a good way to go about that. This Hotas with Citizen is great. I mean, I've had a cheaper one before, and upgrading to something which sits more comfortably on the desk, can be separated, has a nicer weight to it, and a more just a more on-point feel. I mean, it's made of plastics, you can tell, but it really does feel great. So without any further ado, here is the gameplay of Star Citizen being played with the Hotas. So I'm going to try and include the footage of me actually playing alongside. Enjoy. So this is the Thrustmaster T-Flight X Hotas for PC, PS3 also, PS4 also, I'm not sure, but it's console compatible as well. Basically there's a little button on it which allows you to switch between console and computer, but let's see what it's like inside of Star Citizen, as opposed to just talking about what it can do. So Arena Commander, this is 3.82. Gonna go for quick single player. Round the Vandal Swarm, I will get eaten in my Gladius. I'm not that good a fighter. Sorry for all you Gladius aficionados out there who can destroy. Why do I have to? Never mind. I have to go to customization to make sure. Actually, the standard loadout is normally fine. And my gibbles are there. Good. Alright. So we're ready to go. With firepower.
Hello and
So I was
welcome
trying
aboard
to
your Drake
think.
interplanetary craft. Your systems are online.
Lady Drake's quite loud. I was trying to think of any advice that I could give people for using this Hotas, and the most useful thing about this video is going to be the
Contact.
the link that I will leave to my settings for this, which will essentially be yeah, a perfect starting point for anyone who's going to be using this Hotas in Star Citizen. Let's get some speed. Yeah.
Deck impact warning.
I love the way the Cutlass handles. It's a little bit heftier than I
Attention.
expected, but
Engines
I love it.
overheating. Shield system online. Shield system online. Your rear shield is hit. Front impact Impact
Thanks.
warning.
Don't
Starboard
worry.
impact warning.
They deserved it.
Congratulations. Target is destroyed.
So yeah, that wasn't really the Hotas, it's more the Cutlass just destroying everything.
Contact.
This
Contact.
size anyway, it's a beast. But, so the controls are responsive. If I pull back on the Hotas gently, I'm in a turn, which in this game is a little bit drifty, but I think
Engines overheating.
if you play with the settings, you could achieve anything with this Hotas. You could achieve any kind of style that you'd like. I like the way it feels, I like the way it flies, I like the way it responds to the slightest movement. I don't have the... I like that I can choose what of the multitude of buttons and settings I want to be actually
Missile
functional.
locked.
Let that missile
Missile
fly
locked.
away. The missiles in this are amazing now. Well, you can improve them slightly, maybe, but bang!
Congratulations.
Oh my
Target is
god,
destroyed.
that was beautiful.
Attention. Engines overheating.
So this is fun, but this is very
Attention.
easy and very
Engines
slow
overheating.
at the moment. So I'll jump into something that's a little bit more fast-paced.
We lost contact with one of the prep.
Do a quick classic race in the Gladius this time. Doesn't matter what weapons we have. Let's go. So this will show you how terrible my response time is. No, it will show you how interesting, what kind of maneuvers I can pull
Aegis
off at
combat
the moment
assist activated.
with this Hotas
Systems
setup.
green.
I've been
User
able
joined your
to, I mean,
channel.
the drift.
Where's my prowler?
Oh dear.
User left your channel.
People want the Prowler. Oh dear. So yeah, I'm not the best pilot, but what? I have not flown this in a while, so this is weird as fuck to me. But when you get used to, I think I need to reduce the sensitivity a little bit and actually know the course. But you can pull off some maneuvers accidentally more than anything, and kind of, yeah, see, I have the granny. I really do have the granny. That's one thing. I'm not that effective yet as a which is probably why I'm not that effective as a combat pilot yet, but I can kind of hold my own in Arena Commander. But as you can see, it responds to me trying to do crazy maneuvers quite quickly and swiftly. There's no input lag, no delay. It's very responsive. Everything is very sharp. Possibly a little bit too sharp, but again, you can dial that down with ample sensitivity settings. And for a mid-range, or basically a starter Hotas, I think this is where I'm going. No, it's not at all. You can't complain at all. It's a very good boon.
Weapon systems destroyed. Engines
Okay.
destroyed.